These are stamping plates, and I've noticed that a lot of you have a lot of questions about these. And the first question is there a film? Yes, there's a film. You do have to take that off before starting to do your nail art. So take that off. What you will need is a jelly stamper, and if your jelly stamper is not ultra squishy, ultra, like, see how it's like really, it's sticking to my finger. It's really sticky. Those hard ones that are like that hard, don't use those. Just throw that away. I like to use the Pueen brand, Pueen, and I just think it's the best. Gel polish. When you're applying your gel polish, there's always going to be a tacky layer after you cure it. So you can either apply a no wipe gel top coat on top, cure it for 60 seconds, or you will have to wipe off that tacky layer. So I just applied one layer of this and I'm curing it for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to do a second coat. Okay, I'm going in with the second coat, and then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, and I'll show you what top coat I'm going to use. Okay, this is the top coat I'm going to use. It's called I'm Not Tacky Tack Free top coat. Tack free is very important for this design because it works best. So I'm applying one coat of this, and then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. Do, 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 do. Background music, do, do, do. Cure for 60 seconds. Here are the two that I use most, black and white. I think I'm going to use black today. I don't really know. I might change my mind. But here are a couple of designs. You can see me. One of my business cards. Quick and confident is the key to this design, and I will show you. That's finally dry. Now that this is dry, I'll show you the design. I'm going to do black, and that one's kind of Eastery, kind of, I guess. I don't know. I'll use that one. That one looks cool. So you take your polish and make sure your card's ready. Just the tip. Make sure this is ready. And then you just quick and confidently swipe it. You can do it a couple times or once or whatever, but that's really it. Now, this design is like short, so I'm actually going to stretch it. And I mean, I guess it looks fine, but that's what it looks like. And then you apply your top coat. I'm doing my, I mean, it didn't come out the best, but this isn't a client. This is just me showing you how to use these plates, and I am like 100% at a top coat. Cure this for 60 seconds. So you know those cards that these usually come with, but they suck because they always have like that little dent right there. Just don't use those, throw those away. You can use a business card. My favorite thing to use is a Starbucks gift card. So get you one of those. When you're applying this stuff, it does dry like ultra fast. Which one do I want to do? I guess I'll do this one. It dries ultra fast. So you do have to be quick and confident. But if you don't press hard enough and you're just like, it's just gonna make a mess, and that doesn't do anything for anybody. It's just a blob. You know what I mean? So you got to be like quick and I'm gonna do this one now. Quick and confident and firm. You know, be firm with it. Wow, this one's already been used. See, I wasn't quick. I wasn't confident, and it didn't turn out. So let's do that again. A clean workstation is a happy workstation. This is just a paper towel from Costco and acetone. Actually, I kind of want to use this one. And then using acetone, everyone's going to be like, oh my gosh, don't use acetone on your jelly stampers, but I like literally do it all day, all the time. So whatever. Okay, apply apply this is not gel. This is like not even regular gel polish. It is stamping polish. Yeah. I've used that one for ever and ever. Push down. Quick and confident. Quickly. Hurry. On delay. And then you got it. Quickly, hurry, on delay. Those are the steps. Then you apply your top coat. You can even fill in those little spaces with something like, wow, that's really zoomed in. Like one of these, or multiple colors of those. You don't want to do the whole thing, just like little details. And then apply, make sure it's totally dry, of course. And then apply your no wipe gel top coat. Like I said, I like to do 2 coats. But that's how you use them. That's it. So hopefully this helps. Like, subscribe, follow, and peace, love. Bye.